Life Drawing by Alexander Rishkin. Part 2. In this video session, we will continue talking about the proportions of a human figure. The front lines of the deltoid muscles go from the middle of the collarbones to the middle of the upper arm bone. Their ends can be visually connected by a curved line that coincides with the bottom edge of the chest muscles. The widest part of the rib cage is in the region of the 8th rib. Here is where it's located on the model. Below these points, the rib cage gets narrower. Above these points, the rib cage points to the neck. You need to avoid the error of being confused by the widest muscle of the back, which goes towards the shoulders, visually making the rib cage wider at the top. The widest muscle of the back points to the dot located in the middle of the deltoid muscle. It is good to double-check that the tilt of the lower edge of the chest muscles is the same as the tilt of the collarbones, and this tilt goes in a different direction to the tilt of the pelvis. The line of the waist, however, is almost horizontal. Depending on a model, this line can go through the navel or a bit higher, but in any case, it will be horizontal. Depending on the model, the arch of the rib cage can be circular or triangular. Athletic models have more rounded arches. This shape is influenced by the volume of muscles. When a model stands straight, the elbow is located on the same level as the lower edge of the rib cage. The lower edge of the rib cage is where the waist is. You can see that on the left the elbow coincides with this level. But on the right, it is a bit lower because the model stands in contrapposto. This depends on the tilt of the torso. Also, remember that the distance from the armpit to the elbow is very similar to the length of the hand. This is the same distance as from the nipple to the pit of the neck, or from the shoulder's edge to the pit of the neck. It is also equal to the height of the face. In contrapposto, one outline of the neck will be a bit longer than the other because of the shoulder's tilt.